What's up, guys? It's December 20th, 2023. Pretty crazy day. A bit of a crash. Yeah, it was a really strong sell. I don't think anyone was expecting that. About 80 points. Hope you guys caught some legs. I caught a little bit, but not the back end of it. It was a really big sell. We haven't had a day like that in a while. I guess the last day was FOMC, but that was news driven. Make tonight a bit of a quick one. I gotta start off with half the day up here. So yesterday we had a bull channel, and then we ranged. We didn't have too much selling, so I think it would be normal to see a range this morning. The first 6 bars of the day was a bull flag, a lot of buying and very small selling. This could be profit taking. It was a bull flag, and they got 3 legs up, leg 1, leg 2, and leg 3. We can see how deep the pullback got on leg 3, and leg 4 was pretty bad, and leg 5 was climactic. So that's leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, double bottom, leg 4, pullback, leg 5, leg 6 failed. I would say this is leg 1 for the bears, leg 2, and then maybe the market cycle resets for the bears because they break out of this range. And then we go leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, and leg 4. This is a really strong sell. Lots of leg counting today. There's lots of leg counting every day. I did a measurement of this, and it looks like 3R of the opening range would have worked. I'm going to delete this other green line so you guys can see what I'm looking at. So this is 1R. Oh, no, excuse me. This is 1R. This is 2R. And so just under 3R of this morning's range, because 3R would be right here. Oh, excuse me. What the heck? 3R would be right here. So very close to 3R. Let me go back to the bars. We have been trending for about 3 days already. The bull trend was getting pretty climactic for a while. I mean, we really haven't had a deep pullback. We had a leg 1 on the daily, leg 2, leg 3. So now leg 3, leg 4, leg 5 can start to fail. We could start to go range bound. The market has had a big up move and a big down move, so that is a range bound environment. Let me go back to the 5-minute before I get carried away, because today was I think I caught this second leg move here, and then it just kept on going. I was like, wow. I have to make a video about what I did today. Something very silly. Your boy was a goober today. Anyways, leg 1, leg 2 was clearly met, and then some. Be interesting to see if we get a gap down tomorrow. I mean, I guess we could check right now. Yeah, market is in an extremely tight range, but we don't really go over the overnight session. Let me keep it back to what we do every day. So first 6 bars of the day was a bull flag, and the bulls got 3 legs up, and the market went range bound. Here's the first so the bars are all different. Let me keep it like this. We have another bull channel, how we had yesterday. However, this time we can see at the end of the channel that the market starts to break out. Buying this, unless you buy multiple contracts here, you really don't have I actually was long around this area, and I had to hit out. You don't have a chance to really buy back your shorts, or excuse me, buy back your longs, average in and get out. You have to hit out of this trade, and the market starts to sell. This breakout was really good because the bars start small and they get increasingly bigger. The first pullback was shallow, and it led to a very strong leg 2, leg 3, leg 4. This is not the normal type of trend. I mean, it is a trend, but how many? This is. And look at these bars. They slowly get bigger and bigger, so that's a great trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 bars in a row with no real pullback. Here's the first pullback and it fails. This bar came racing down, and then it came up a little bit, and then sold off for their leg 2, leg 3, and leg 4 move. Really good day for the Bears. I think we've all been waiting for something like this, and it came in a very unexpected way. It came very fast. We broke above the last 2 days. We were trading above last week's high, so I was bullish in my head, and we were above the hourly EMA. We have strongly broke out of the hourly EMA and back into last week's high. I think the 50% level of last week is a good trickle sell for the last 2 days of the week, and then maybe we go range bound within last week's range. Who knows, or maybe we have to go down to the FOMC level. The FOMC breakout is right here, which is another 40 points. I definitely think we're gonna have a range with downwards momentum tomorrow, maybe a slight test of support, and then we sell. 50% of the time the market can race into support or resistance and then reverse. So there was still a lot of bullish pressure. I mean, look, this is just the first time these type of bars have been collected, so I'm not discounting the bulls trying to buy a little bit and then we sell off into the bottom or middle of this range. What the heck? Yeah, very unusual day. I hope you guys caught some. I was like, whoa. Daily chart, I kind of went over it briefly earlier. Leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. This is going to put a dent in the bulls' run for sure. The weekly chart should be looking interesting now, actually. Yeah, it's looking like a doji. Because remember yesterday and the previous day we had a up, and not today. That just reversed everything. Really bad close for the bulls so far. We have a buy the close rally, and now we have a doji in the opposite direction. So the Bears definitely want to close below the midpoint and show some signs of strength. Bulls want this to be a minor pullback and continue higher. Hourly chart, same situation. First time we're breaking below the bar very strongly, below last week's high, back into last week's range. 50% level looks like a good tag. Today was a short one. I had a lot of things going on. I hope you guys are getting ready for the holidays. I know I'm pretty excited to take some trading days off, but I mean, I'm still doing the breakdowns and posting on YouTube and stuff. So yeah, happy holidays, guys. Hit the notification. I drop these videos every day at 3 p.m. I appreciate your support. 3 p.m. Pacific Standard. Hit the follow button. Have a good night, guys. Use your stop loss. Bye.